It's not in your full control.
Just one word to break all the complexities and complications of thought is choice. If anybody is not writing anything, I don't mind, but please make a note of this strong word in your mind. Seriously, it's always, and in any kind of situation, our choice, and we always have a choice to decide to think healthily or negatively or unhealthily for ourselves. Always. That is again a choice. So when you know that it is your choice, you better make a healthy choice. And knowing the fact that I'm stressing out myself, I'll keep on thinking negatively and unhealthily. So first is knowing that it is my choice. Now there are certain hurdles to these. Like, I know what is good for me, but then I don't choose the good things for myself. Does happen. Why does that happen?
Because I don't have a full control of the situation.
Yes. Talking about the control element, no, life, you better know, and we all should be aware that life is going to be uncertain, unpredictable. Difficulties, problems, issues, concerns doesn't make life a very terrible thing, because when you overcome those difficulties, when you solve those problems, life does show you good pictures, good scenes, no, good situations. It's a combination. You better be ready for the negative aspect. Why? Because there has to be acceptance. Yes, ways we talk, thoughts, and many other techniques as well. But when I talk about thoughts, okay, this needs the guidance of the word called acceptance. Why am I anxious in a situation where I have to go to a party, meet new people, or meet my old friends to whom I'm very apprehensive or anxious to meet? What is happening? Yes. And when I fear being judged, what is happening exactly? And when I'm not myself, I'm not. That may not happen, but what am I doing is I'm not accepting myself.
That's also unconditional. We don't unconditionally accept ourselves.
Yes, yes. That's
with all the drawbacks, all everything.
Yes. Let's it's a very interesting word, unconditional acceptance. First, let me tell you what acceptance is. This is a laptop, okay? Can this group tell me whether you like this laptop? Do you like it? Yes?
Because we have the knowledge how to use that, know the benefits of that.
Okay. No, not everyone would agree, I know, but I'm just considering. Okay, yes. Does this group like? Okay, no, it's not the latest. Fine, a very old version then. Yes. Do you like, ma'am? Yes. I say it's okay. Yeah. If it works, if it helps in me in my PP,
Serves my purpose.
that's fine. Does the laptop change in any way? No, the laptop just remains a laptop, okay? I'll keep a person, an individual in place of the laptop. You can keep yourself, you can keep any individual, or you can keep life. Some people may not like me. Some people might like me. Some people would say, wow. And some people would say, okay, doesn't make any no difference. Some people might say, a disgusting person. Not worth. Does anything change or no?
No.
Does any value get attached to the person? No. What is happening? The value does get attached. Now, when a person says that it is good, no, she is good or he is good, when the other person says that he's not good, bad, not okay, okay, values get attached. Do they really? A, B, C, D, E, Z. Worthless, very nice, disgusting, annoying, irritating, too many labels.
One and one problem.
Lovely. These are not values that need to be attached to any person, be it yourself, the other person, or life in general. No, something good happens, I attach a value to my life is good. Something bad happens, my life is bad. Please do not attach values, because these are not values, but these are just opinions.
The opinions do count in society.
Do count, if you want to count them. If they are helping you out, please do count them. Even negative opinions can help you if you think healthily about the opinion. So first, you know that it is your choice to either accept the opinion of the person or no. Okay? Now when you accept, there should be acceptance on your part first of being the person that you are. No, with or without any change.
You also judge the person who is giving an opinion. How far is he? Giving an opinion.
And then how to make a healthy use of the judgment is when I know it is my choice, when I've accepted myself even with, some negative or some bad qualities that I have, I think what the person is saying can help in me if I change myself or if I, do something the other way. And then what could be the third one, which is going to help me?
You can replace that thing.
People don't like this word. No, I better follow my routine. Thinking, behavior, lifestyle, no changes. It's too much of a distress in itself and stressful situation in itself. But
Depends upon the individual. Some people like the change. They always look for the change.
Yes.
Even youngsters.
yes,
Whereas the old people, they say, he can tell them.
yes, yeah. And the thing is, if I just want to add up something to that. At any particular age, okay, if you want to be okay with whatever you are, however you are, please be ready. Accept yourself the way you are with no conditions. It has to be unconditional acceptance. I have to work at this kind of a place, then I'm good enough. I have to perform this much, then I'm good enough. If I don't, not good enough, unworthy, leave. Why? If I've been given a task to complete, if I do it, I'm good. If I don't do it, I'm bad. Isn't that true?
But there are
Yes, interest, okay. But that again is another page altogether. Yes. Yes, it is important. Why? I have done a work, I feel good. That I am a good person who does work, who is capable of completing work, job, task. If I don't, incapable, loser, no? The big L, a capital L. A bad employee, a bad student, a bad family member, anything, a bad friend, a bad relative, family issues, bad ministers, bad management. Sure. Yes? Should I be saying that to myself? If I do certain work,
you have to accept that if anything is bad.
To understand this word, acceptance, you wait, and then one of your doubts might get clarified. Acceptance is of myself at any level with no conditions. When I say I have done my work, the action of doing work is good. I, as a person, I am capable of not doing the work or doing the work. If I do the work, then the action, the process of doing or not doing can be evaluated. Can be said either this is correct or wrong, good or bad, whatever grades. But I, as a person, remain just a person. This is where acceptance can be understood. Unconditional acceptance of self.
What do you use the word unconditional? Acceptance can be even conditional because I am the judge and I will judge the situation. But compare to the unconditional acceptance.
Because my goal is to manage my anxiety. My goal is not to stress or distress myself or increase my anxiety. If I have conditions, sir, in life to accept myself, if I do this, I'm good enough. If I don't, why all this stress, competition? No? Why is this competition causing a lot of stress? Because it is conditional. If you achieve, you're marked as like someone good, successful, photograph here, achievement certificate there. But if I want to be comfortable or less anxious, no, in these fast and moving world, let's keep the goal as less anxious. Unconditional acceptance of self. Then you will say, if I completely accept myself unconditionally, I'll not even work for achieving something, of doing something or completing my work and tasks. I've accepted myself. I better sit in my chair and relax the whole day.
Get the goal.
Yes. And this kind of thinking is definitely going towards